Hi guys, welcome back. Before we get started with this video, we're almost at 2,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel and 63% of you guys are not subscribed. So please go ahead and subscribe. Only 38% of you guys are subscribed to our YouTube channel. So please go ahead and subscribe, and we are really excited to launch this new auto ordering feature. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be talking about auto ordering. So this is the introductory video of auto ordering. In this video, we're going to go over the nitty-gritty of auto ordering and how it can help you in your business. To start off, to have auto ordering work successfully, you're going to need our Chrome extension. You can download it for free at the Chrome store. It's called Marketplace Fox. Then you're going to need our second Chrome extension, which is called Marketplace Fox Auto Ordering, right? And the difference between these two Chrome extensions is one has a package. That's the one you want for auto ordering. And the other one doesn't have any packages on the icon, right? It's just the Fox, right? The next thing you're going to need is an Amazon account, and we'll show you how to set up your Amazon account for auto ordering. So anyways, when you have the Fbmfox Chrome extension installed, the regular one, it's going to start pulling orders from your Facebook shops and your Facebook marketplace, right? It's going to automatically pull these orders once you click on them. If you don't have auto ordering in your account will look a little different than this. This is how a regular orders page looks. It's just very simple. It has all the information about the order, and then it has, the pending status and whether your order came from Facebook shops or marketplace. That's the normal orders page. Once you have auto ordering enabled, you're going to have basically one additional column that says auto ordering. And here are just some auto ordering controls. You can click on auto order now. It'll queue the order for auto ordering, or you can just click stop auto order, and that'll go ahead and stop your auto ordering. It'll take it out of the queue. And the other thing that you'll find is there's an auto order completion section. So here we have an auto order completed section, and that's going to show which order was completed by the auto ordering extension. And on top of that, it goes ahead and it calculates a profit for you on each order. And it also fills the order number for you from the supplier, right? Which is all great. So it's pretty hands off when it comes to the aftermath section of actually filling all these orders. So everything is good here. Now, the question you may be asking is, how do you get this auto ordering in your account? If you're watching this a few months down the line, every single account should have this auto ordering feature. But at the current moment, we are limiting use of this feature to beta testers and then a small batch of users and then a small batch after that. This was supposed to be out earlier, but it got delayed a little bit. So right now it's March 15th. So we want to get it out to everybody by April 1st. So that's about 2 weeks. But for these 2 weeks, we want to hand it over to beta testers and people who want to help improve the auto ordering, because we know that people may have requests for it to make it better. And we want to give it to those people first. And then we'll roll it out to everybody in about 2 weeks from now, if everything goes well, right? So the other thing about auto ordering is that you'll see a button here called Enable Auto Order for all products by default. So if you pull in an order, it'll usually look like this, where it says auto order now. So you have to click on this to put it in the auto ordering queue, right? And that might just be too much work. So to go ahead and have your auto ordering automatically show up like this as soon as the product comes into Fbmfox, you want it to queue up for auto ordering, then you have to click on Enable Auto Order All Products by Default. And what this will do is any new products that your Chrome extension pulls in from your shop, it's going to automatically go ahead and queue it up for auto ordering, which is great. Now, the other thing that auto ordering has is it has auto ordering credits, right? So you need to purchase credits for each order that our Chrome extension basically fills for you automatically, right? And you can do that by clicking buy auto order credits. Now, auto order credits are 25 cents per auto order credit. If you purchase more, we do reduce the price. You can check out the different prices here, so you can explore that yourself. And then you can just hit buy now, and you'll see that you'll have credits in your order section. Each auto ordering credit is one fulfilled order with the calculation, product calculation, and all of that done for you, right? Now, the other question people may have is this auto ordering done on our Amazon accounts? Like, are they managed Amazon accounts, or are they on your Amazon accounts? And auto ordering is actually done on your accounts, and it's done on your computer. So you're going to have your computer on. We do have scripts, mechanisms that do it on our servers, but we haven't released those yet. We're starting off with releasing the mechanisms that are on your computer so you can manage them, you can take care of them, and they'll run real time in front of you. And that way you have full control over your own Amazon account, your own credit card details, your own credentials. Everything's on your computer, and we have access to none of that, right? So it makes it more secure for yourself. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and set up your Amazon account in a way where it's perfect for auto ordering. So the way you want to do that is go to amazon.com, go ahead and log into your account. Next, go to your account and then click on your payments. And what you want to do here is go ahead and add a payment method and make sure it's a debit or credit card, and make sure you go ahead and you add your credit card details in for your account. Once that's done, you can X out, and I already have cards in here, so they end in different last 4 digits, and you're going to need that for auto ordering. You're going to have to input that in your extension, right? So once you have that done, you're pretty much good to go. Now we can start talking about the Chrome extension, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the Chrome extension that has the package on it. So let's go back to our dashboard here, and let's click on the Chrome extension. The Chrome extension requires a login, and it looks very, very similar to the regular Marketplace Fox Chrome extension, except there's one setting here which is called Amazon. It's a tab, and this tab asks you for your last 4 digits of your credit card. So mine is these 4 right here. So what this does is, upon checkout, it's going to go ahead and it's going to select the card that you saved in Amazon with those last 4 digits. It doesn't actually type your entire card number and your CVV and all of that. That would just take forever. So you want to load the card into Amazon already, and then just put the last 4 digits in our Chrome extension, and it'll select that card every single time when it goes to fill that order. The next thing is the default phone number. So, a lot of people have issues with adding the correct phone number and having to re-add it every single time on each order. Well, auto ordering does that for you. The next thing is your Amazon email, and auto ordering, if it logs out, if your Amazon account logs out, it'll log you in, and then it'll place the order for you. And then your Amazon password also. And you just want to hit save. Now, all of these details are on your computer. They're not on our server whatsoever, right? So this is why we made an extension for this, because this way we're not managing your credentials, you are, right? So if you uninstall this Chrome extension and reinstall it, you'll see that all of these details have to be filled in again, because all of these details are only stored on your computer. The next thing you'll see is the settings area. So this is where things get interesting, because you can actually have a frequency for how often you want orders to be basically filled, right? So as the orders load in this area, they're actually also going to load into the Chrome extension if they are auto ordering pending like this, right? So they'll show up in the Chrome extension, and if you have enable auto order for every 3 minutes, what it's going to do is every 3 minutes, it's going to look for orders and that haven't been filled, and it's going to just start filling them. The next section is where the real stuff is, and that is called auto order. So much like our normal Chrome extension, you can see there is a product section where you can select which product to fill. It's basically which order to fill, right? So right now I have a ton of orders that are still pending and they all appear here. So I can choose to select one order and then place that order, or I can select all products and place the order, or I can select an interval, right? That every 3 minutes, it does all the products. Basically, everything's a sort of a component of itself. So you can select one product and order it. My favorite is personally just click on all products and order it. Or I love using the frequency of the ordering, and that'll basically trigger the all products command every 3 minutes in my case, if I check this on. I'm not going to check it on right now, but I'll just go ahead and I'll do all products, and then I'll just click on place order. And what it does is it opens up a Chrome extension window for you, and it just gives you status updates on what it's doing. And you can feel free to, browse the internet and do whatever you'd like. Soon you're going to see stuff happening in your Amazon account. And actually, every time an order gets filled, you're actually going to receive an email from Amazon, right? So that's a good way to see when orders are actually being filled. And orders are usually filled every 30 to 40 seconds. That's how fast this is. So in a minute, you could probably do one order or two orders, but in an hour, you could do like 60 to 70 orders. We have to play careful on certain websites because we don't want to seem robotic, or else they won't even let the order go through, right? So that's why we tend to slow it down a little bit. If we made it too fast, then it would just backfire on us. So right now, some of the orders that are in my system are actually out of stock. So that's why it's just showing me 14% and it's going back, and then it's going to the next product, and it's kind of just stopping on, you see, like they're actually out of stock. So that's why it's not filling them, but eventually it's going to fill something. So we just have to wait for it. The idea is during this process, you want to just do whatever. You want to do your regular things. Like you're basically replacing an employee with this feature, and it's really powerful. So now you can see that shipping address is added for one of these products. It's selecting my credit card. And before it goes through the entire process, I just want to show you here I have 0 in my cart, and now I have 1, and it says it's finalizing my orders. So I'm just going to go in the orders page. This is my order, and I think it just it just filled it. So it just filled this order from Mercedes for me, which is great. Yeah. And if I select that name, and you can see it added the phone number. Now, if I go back into my orders section and I type in a Mercedes's name, you can see that it's fulfilled. It's auto order complete. And my profit on that order was $1. So it's not bad. And my credits are a little one credit lower now. So now the next order is going through. And you can see here, it says 0 in my cart. But if I just refresh, you don't have to refresh. Like you could just do whatever you want. But now I have one product in my cart. It seems like it's filling that. But I'm just going to let it do. I'm going to let it do its thing and kind of leave it alone. Really, you just want to leave your computer on and then just walk away. This is like a standalone extension that's really going to hold itself up. It'll just keep going on its own, 30 to 40 seconds per product, which is not bad. You could just leave your screen on and walk away, do whatever you'd like. This one's done also. So if we refresh here, that's another order. All right, guys. So I just walked away from my computer for a little bit, and here is my email inbox. We started this batch of auto orders at 11:31 p.m. And these are all the emails that I got while I was away from my computer. So I knew this thing was doing its job, right? It wasn't slacking because we have an email literally every minute from this auto ordering thing. I think more than that. So we just hit 100% here, and we'll probably get another email if we refresh here. All right, so I did a quick head count on all these emails, and since 11:31 p.m., we got 20 emails. So 20 successful orders were filled in a span of about 16 minutes. So if you take that 16 minutes divided by 20 orders, you're getting 0.8. So each order was about 48 seconds, which is not bad. I think it's all right. It just keeps going, right? So that's 20 orders done. A lot of you guys out there, you guys only get like 10 or 20 orders a day. A lot of you guys. You could literally run this thing for 10 or 20 minutes and call it a day and you're done, right? Just 25 cents an order. All you got to do is watch this beautiful progress bar go from 14% to 100%, and it calculates all your profits for you, all of that. If this thing is for you, you're going to love it. Anyways, last few reminders on this thing. This feature is not available for every single person just yet. We're going to hand it off to beta testers and people who sort of requested this thing early, and we want to have them test it and really refine it a little bit more. And then by April 1st, we're aiming, it should be out for everybody, right? So even if you're a beta tester, it's still going to cost you 25 cents an order. And even when it's out, it's going to cost you 25 cents an order. And if you're a beta tester, you get to use it earlier than everybody else, right? So 3 weeks earlier than everyone else. And you get a say in helping refine this thing, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are excited for this auto ordering feature. And if you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, I'm not sure what you guys are waiting for. We're literally the most innovative software in this game. So go ahead and click that link in the description down below. Start your 7-day free trial. It's only $29 a month and you can cancel anytime. Now, if you're a person who has no clue about this entire space, right? You just want to start e-commerce. You want to start selling online, but you don't know how to do it. The program that we recommend right now is the 10-minute workday program. It's by Dustin and Rachel. They teach you A to Z how to sell on Facebook shops. And really the knowledge in their program is like applicable to a lot of e-commerce, you know. So go ahead and get $500 off with the link in the description below for their program. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.